Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to AILN Studio tutorial 176, and today's topic is what is an ORG chart in AILN Studio. So after successfully registering on the platform on AILN Studio, you can also create the organization charts, but in AILN Studio, an ORG chart helps you to visually represent the structure of an organization and the relationship between different roles or departments. It shows how teams, managers, employees, and departments are connected in a hierarchical format. When you start creating an ORG chart, you can request elements like leadership roles, reporting, structure, department, and team hierarchies in a structured way. This makes it easier to understand organizational structure, communication flow, and team management. So basically, an organization chart in AILN Studio helps you create clear and structured visual representation of organizational hierarchies and team structures. This is it for today's tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.